Go to Personal Center Verification Account Management. Click Add Account. Enter an account name. Set an account password. Fill in the usage limit. Click Confirm. Access account authentication. Select a country. Select state. Select authentication account. Select a session type. The following information will appear in the command you generate. Click Generation. This is the generated command. Go to the browser. Click Add to create new browser environment. Enter a browser name. Choosing a platform. Select proxy type. Copy the corresponding account information. Paste in the corresponding position. Checking proxy connections. Click Confirm. Open the browser environment. The browser environment is working fine.